Welcome to Quiz Arena! Before we begin, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Are you ready for the Spot the Odd One Out challenge? Let's get started! Easy level, let's warm up. Which of these is not a fruit? Carrot. Find the odd shape. Q. Which is not a season? Rainbow. Which is not a day of the week? January. Find the odd sport. Piano. Which is not a body part? Chair. Which is not a bird? Rabbit. Spot the odd item. Window. Which is not a planet? Sun. Which is not a wild animal? Cow. Find the odd occupation. Spoon. Which is not a beverage? Rice. Which is not a color? Table. Which is not a means of transport? Chair. Which is not a household appliance? Jacket. Medium level, getting trickier. Which is not a continent? America. Which is not a musical instrument? Calculator. Spot the odd clothing item. Helmet. Which is not a mammal? Crocodile. Which is not an Olympic sport? Chess. Find the odd household object. Computer. Which is not an insect? Lizard. Spot the odd shape. Cube. Which is not a Disney character? SpongeBob. Which is not a vegetable? Strawberry. Spot the odd school subject. which is not a famous landmark? Grocery store. Find the odd mode of transport. Balloon, which is not a famous painting. Minecraft. Find the odd currency. Bitcoin. Hard level, only a genius can pass, which is not a programming language. Windows. Spot the odd Olympic sport. Chess, which is not a famous scientist. Picasso, which is not a famous river. Everest, which is not a search engine. Facebook. Find the odd zodiac sign. Mercury, which is not a natural disaster. Pollution, which is not a type of cloud. Cyclone. Spot the odd historical event. Avengers Endgame, which is not an internet browser. iTunes, which is not a type of rock. Marble cake, which is not a famous battle. Battle of Hogwarts. Spot the odd capital city. Disneyland, which is not a human bone. Plasma, which is not a satellite. Apollo 11. Great job! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next challenge. Bye!